Hello and welcome to Mito Red Light. We're super excited to be showing you today the new MitoGLOW LED mask. So in your MitoGLOW box, you're going to be finding a lot of accessories. We have, of course, your mask. You just lift it out. Attached will be the wire. Definitely you want to note that the wire is attached to your mask, so don't pull on it too tight. You have a carrier bag that you can put your mask in while you're traveling or just not using it. We have the remote control, and we'll show how to connect those two later. And then we have your very comfortable head straps. And lastly, you'll find your power plug, and that comes with handy conversion adapters no matter where in the world you are. Your MitoGLOW mask comes with 5 great modes to boost your skincare goals. We have mode 1, which is your anti-aging mode, which comprises of red light at 630 nanometers. This mode is great for a collagen boost, fine lines, and wrinkles. Mode 2 is our purify mode, which consists of blue light at 465 nanometers. This is great for acne reduction, kills bacteria, is helpful with oil control and pore refinement. The maximum timer on this mode will be 5 minutes. Mode 3 is our calm mode. This comprises of orange and amber light at 590 nanometers. This is a great mode to reduce redness, calm irritation, and improve your overall skin tone. Mode 4 is our deep renewal mode. This comprises of red light and near infrared light. So we have red light at 630 nanometers and then the near infrared at 830 nanometers. This is great for surface rejuvenation and deep tissue healing. Mode 5 is our anti-acne mode, which consists of blue light at 465 nanometers and red light at 630 nanometers. This is a really awesome mode because it has a 2-pronged approach for acne. The blue light will kill the bacteria, while the red light will support skin health. Next, we're going to put on our head straps. So you're just going to untie them like this. Make sure that you have this piece sticking up on the top because we're going to be putting it through the top piece here. So all you do is you just put it there. Slide one piece in like that. I'm going to slide in the Velcro here, and then this top piece put through like this. And you'll also see that the Velcro does have little stickers on here so you can adjust it for your head size. Fold it over. We would recommend just kind of putting this over your head just to get a feel for things. Your mask should fit securely, not too tight, and then you can adjust your chin straps. To attach the remote, all you need to do is take the other end of the wire that's attached to your mask and plug it in, just like that. To power your remote control, all you need to do is take your power plug out and the matching adapter. All you need to do is put it in and twist into place and use this end and plug into your remote control. To remove the adapter, you just press down on this little button on the bottom and then you just twist it. To connect your MitoGLOW mask to the remote control, all you need to do is take the USB piece that's connected to the mask and plug it in here. Please note not to tug on this wire here as we do not want to damage the mask and the connection. To charge your remote control, all you need to do is take your power plug and plug it into the USB-C adapter port. When your remote control is less than 25% full of power, you'll see a flashing light at the bottom of the display screen. Using the remote control is very easy. All you need to do is press the power on, and you'll see that it will automatically go on mode 1. Next, to move to a different mode, you just press the M button. That's mode 2, mode 3, mode 4, and mode 5. To turn off your mask, all you need to do is hold the power button. Thank you for joining us on our instructional video for the MitoGLOW. If you have any questions, always refer to your user manual. And if you still have any other questions, please reach out to info@mitoredlight.com.